Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some stuff you can do with the camera at the Samsung Galaxy A32 and A32 5G. Okay, let's go to the camera here, and the first thing I want to show you is you can make slow motion videos here with that phone. So for that, just go here on More, and then you will have here the point slow motion. Okay, choose a nice scene for the training if you want to train with me. And just tap here on the shutter button to start the video, and I hope you have a better scene than me, and stop the video here again. So, and next to our shutter button we have like as at the photos or the videos here the preview. So just tap here on the preview, and what is important now, you see already the preview of the slow motion video. Go in the pen to edit the slow motion video. So first of all, here below, you can, with the end and the finish, you can cut the video. You can crop a part here, put the scene you want to have, and then, as you could see, also at the beginning, the video have the full speed, and just here in the range we have the slow motion. And of course, you can also adjust this thing that we have the slow motion here from the beginning, or the full video then in that case. So that means that we have our slow motion video now here completely. And what is also important is the audio, and for that you just go here on the speaker, and here you can set up if you want to have the video sound, but it sounds a bit maybe crazy because it's also in slow motion. So I would recommend to you to have no sound, or that you here put some music on it. So just do what you want to have here in that video. And yeah, the next thing I want to show you, let me go back. So finally, sorry, we are not at the end. Finally, you have to save it, of course, that it's part here of your gallery. Very important, then the phone is creating the video and it's part of the gallery. Okay, let us go back here. Let's go back again, and then we are here at the basic photo again. So the next feature I want to show you is the augmented reality, because you can have some animated features in your videos and photos as well. So let me show you how that works. So for that, we go also again here on More, and then we will have here the AR Doodle, but we will have it also completely here in the AR zone. So I would recommend to you to check out the AR zone. So let's get into it. Sometimes you need to have an update here because they upgrade sometimes some features here. So in case he wants to have an update, just install it and you can continue. Okay, let's start maybe here with the AR Doodle. So it works with the front cam basically. So I don't know if you can see that. I can have here I can create here some stuff. I can paint something. Maybe I can put a hat on me, or a smile, and every time I'm moving, thing is turning with me. So I hope you can see that here. You see, it is always coming with me. And then you have also here the opportunity to make some deco pictures. So that means that you can put some mask on here also with your face. Hope you still can see that. And so on, so you can play a bit with, and but this have to recognize the face first. And what is also very nice are the stamps here, no? So you can put the date maybe here on your picture, by the way, and there's so many stuff. And then you could put also some other stuff here, so best friend and so on and so on. So there are many opportunities. And also you can put some frames on it to make it more individual. And yeah, there's so many stuff with all here for birthday. Then you can sing for a friend and so on within the video. And if you just tap here on the shutter button, you make a picture. And if you long press the shutter button, you make a video. And if you want to stop, just tap again here, and you will have your video in the gallery. Okay, for the next feature we need also the front cam. Let's go back here again to the photo. I want to show you now a nice feature for the front cam, because you can make selfies with the gesture. So that means that you just hold your hand like this if you want to have something, and then it will take a picture because automatically a selfie with. So just hold your hand like this, it's recognizing, and now you see the countdown there, and he makes the selfie. I hope you can see that a bit, because the phone is dark on the sides. Okay, one more time, it's recognizing my palm, smile, and he will take the picture. So a nice tool. So you can use it also a bit if you're a bit far, or if you say, okay, it's a bit too complicated for me, but it's a nice tool. It works pretty well, but you can do it also in another way. Here in the middle, on the top, at the bar, we have a timer, yeah, where you see the clock with the off in it. And if you tap on it, you will have now a timer. You can choose between 2, 5, or 10 seconds. So let's take here the 2 seconds. So if I press now on the shutter button, you will see here the countdown to 1, go, and then the phone will take the picture. That means you can choose maybe 10 seconds, go back to a position you want to have, and the phone will take the picture automatically. The next feature I want to show you is a nice tool to start the camera. Of course, we can go on the app here and so on, but you can also start the camera if you just double press the power button, and you're immediately at the camera without missing time for looking for the camera app and so on. So one more time, just double press the power button and you're immediately at the camera. And what is also pretty cool, also if your phone is on standby, so it have to be turned on, but if it's in standby, basically, you don't have to unlock the phone and so on. No, just double press the power button and you are as well immediately at the camera. And this saves a lot of time and may also your great picture. Okay. Yeah, by the way, you can see how I'm working. So, yeah. And the next feature I want to show you is you can use also a button to take the pictures. So for that, just use the volume up button and then you take a picture as well. Okay, I still have the timer here on. Let me remove the timer. So it works also with the timer, by the way, But if I just press here, I have also a shutter button here. And the same thing works also with the videos. So you can start the video with the volume up button, and as well you can finish the video with the volume up button. So a nice feature. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is for the photos. So go on the photos, and it's for the rear cam. Because do you know that you use just the 12 MPs instead of the 48 MPs? So, but you can set it up. So just go here on the 3 to 4 point. Just go here on the 3 to 4. And then you have here at the first point 3 to 4 48 MP. So just go on the 3 to 4, go on the 3 to 4 48 MP, and now you use the full resolution of the camera. Before you choose just 12 MPs, as I said, but now you can use the full resolution of the camera. The only disadvantages, you have to hold your phone very steady if you're taking pictures, and you cannot zoom in that mode. That's the only thing. But you will have the full resolution. But also, I would recommend to you, because you cannot hold your hand always steady and so on, to go to the basic 3 to 4. So let me go back here, 3 to 4. Then the phone will taking the pictures more dynamic and so on. So just check these modes for your own, and you can decide what you want to have. And of course, you can zoom in and so on. Yeah, and you have seen it already. Maybe you have more cams here on your phone than just one, and I will show you right now how you can change these cameras. So thank you so much for the help, and to my friend here, And this is the main cam, as we have learned, the one with the 12 MPs. So the most powerful, by the way, here at the phone. And let me show you how you can choose between the cams. Because the main cam is nice, but you cannot have everything sometimes on your picture because you're too close to a group or to a building or something like this. Then you can use the ultra wide angle cam. And these are the 2 threes here are for the main cam, and the 3 threes are for the ultra wide cam. So tap on the 3 threes and you're immediately at the ultra wide cam. And as you can see, we have much more range and so on, but the camera is not that powerful like the main cam. So I would recommend to you to take your pictures basically with the main cam, and in some cases the ultra wide cam is very useful. Okay, and there's something else. Also, if you're very, very close to objects, like 3 or 5 centimeters, so like at my friend now, you see the phone cannot really focus. You see, the pictures are not that clear, but you can make the pictures clear. Also, if you go here, let me turn the phone a bit that you can see it better. Can make these pictures clear if you go here on more. So then you will have here the macro cam. And then you enable the macro cam and you can see the pictures are much more clear. So this works as written here. It's just 3 to 5 centimeters if you're very close to objects. But also this camera is not that good. So just use it for things like this if you're very close to objects. As someone is working already outside, and I hope it doesn't disturb you too much, let us continue here because I want to show you now some filters. So my friend gives us, or continue to give us, some help again, and these filters we will find here at the magic stick here. So just tap on your magic stick and we will have here some filters. So this is the original picture with no filters, and you can make it a bit more warm or a bit more cold and so on. So there are many ways, and as you can see, the picture is changing, and you can also make it in black and white and so on. So many things you can do, and you can also change the intensity if you don't want to have it completely black and white, so you want to have a bit colors. You can make a lot with that, so that gives your pictures a bit more pep and so on. So you can try here a bit to find your style and so on. So the last feature now I want to show you is a beauty mode. If you go here on the point face, then you can enable here at this point, very important, you have to tap that as well, the beauty mode. Okay, and then the phone is checking for your face and so on, so it is auto detected, and then it will gives you opportunities to change the smoothness a bit, or to give another tone, to make the jawline a bit more skinny and so on. You can have some effects also for the eyes, and you can adjust this here as well. And but I would tell you, you don't need that, because you're beautiful like you are. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for that. And I've created also some other videos, like other tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.